Hi boys and girls, this is your lesson 34 problem set directions. Number 1 and 2, cross off to subtract. Bless you. Numbers 3 and 4, subtract, make a math drawing like those above for each. So you must make a math drawing just like the ones above and then show crossing off for each. So that's going to be for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You should have drawings for all of those. Nice, clean 5-group drawings. Number 11, 12, and 13, cross off when needed to subtract. These are up and down, see? Numbers 14, 15, and 16, you're going to subtract. Make a math drawing like those above, so like these ones. So now they're going to be drawings, 5 groups going up and down. And then number 17, fill in the missing number. Visualize your 5 groups to help you, so picture it in your mind. Okay, you're subtracting all, or you're subtracting almost all, so take notice of that. Alrighty, make sure you check your answers, sign up for a small group mini lesson if you need more help.